GoPeer peer-to-peer investing app. The pros, the cons. GoPeer offers a platform for peer-to-peer lending and investing, but is it safe and profitable? Starting with the pros first. Higher potential returns. Piggy lending can yield better interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Second, accessibility. Users can start investing with relatively small amounts, opening opportunities for new investors. Third, transparency. GoPeer provides borrower information and risk assessments, allowing informed decisions. Now, the cons. One drawback is risk. Piggy lending carries default risk, and returns aren't guaranteed. Another limitation is liquidity. Investments are typically locked until the loan term ends, which may restrict access to funds. The surprising truth: GoPeer can boost returns for risk-tolerant investors, but may not suit those seeking guaranteed or liquid investments. In conclusion, the pros: higher returns, accessibility, and transparency make GoPeer appealing for experienced investors. The cons: risk and limited liquidity require careful consideration before investing.